searching and long have I waited for someone who like me as me, to love with, make up with, to be just beside with a friend. That's all I need. To fight with, make up with, to know that you need them, believing that they need you too. To walk hand in hand with, to argue, to talk with a friend. That's all I need. And even though I make mistakes and never do anything right, a smile I had can change all that, and everything will be alright. Someone who shares all my dreams and ambitions, someone who will love me as